Sunday, November 27th, 2022. Dear Dad, it feels like every year I wake up one day in the last week of November and realize I'm running out of time to check off all my resolutions. I promised myself this year I would send you a letter from Wales every month. And here we are with 3 days left in November, and all I have to share with you are a handful of disjointed, hasty, ill-conceived, and partially completed projects. So here's an update on all of that. Starting with life on the farm. Late autumn means shorter days and long nights. I've been helping Emma more by walking the fields and, literally, counting sheep. Smokey is right next door, so we visit and chat every day. She's an excellent listener. Let's give you a full massage, okay? It's been a while. You want to get in on this? Get over here. Jade. Girl, you're pretty. Explain to me how that's comfortable. I'm not going to pressure you, but I'm just going to say I feel a little offended you only like me when there's food around. Yesterday, Emma brought us new neighbors.
Come down and get rid of that.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What? Well, if they get over that step, they can get.
Is this going to be closed?
No.
I'm going to go in and out.
Better let Mum.
Yeah.
Inside the house, it's mild chaos. This weather, though. We are planning a camping trip to Europe. We leave in 12 days. This side is so cute. This is our living room. That's my science experiment. On this side, however, we have basically all of our camping stuff and some yoga stuff. The yoga stuff isn't coming camping with us, don't worry. I'm doing a test today, super scientific, of course. I have plugged the refrigerator into the power supply. So this one is our fridge, and this is the power supply thingy. I read that if you do the 12 volt instead of the plug, it consumes less power. I don't know if that's true. So already my science is off to a shaky start. However, I have plugged it in, and now I'm just going to see how long it takes to deplete the battery. Okay, it's been 11 hours. Let's take a look. 82%. Not bad. According to my science experiment, we can run the fridge for 3 days straight off one charge of the portable battery. Also, this is my other project. This is all of the food and supplies and wine and beer. This is everything we're taking with us to feed 2 people for 3 weeks. Look at that. American staples. I have a lot of work to do on the van. But first, let's check the weather. Foggy this morning. The fog has actually gotten more intense from this morning. gonna test it. Oh, I gotta take my boot. Moment of truth. Ah, it works. Yay. So that's the update from this side of the world. Right as I was finishing this letter, the sun came out and the sky cleared. And I took this video to share some Welsh sunshine with you. Say that 3 times. Welsh sunshine.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I'll write again soon. Love, Laurie. Oh, I got a smoky up my booty. I'm trying to get in my pocket. Children, wake up. I don't really breathe while I talk. You can't help me saw.